stop by Target to see what they had in for Christmas stuff. They are still putting out Christmas stuff, but I'm going to show you everything that they had in at my Target. First stop, we always have to stop at the dollar spot at Target towards the front of the store. So they did have out some Christmas stuff. They had a lot of Halloween stuff still too mixed in, but they did have some Christmas stuff. I'm noticing though, they're putting it out, but a lot of the good ones are going really fast. So if you see something that you do like, I would definitely say grab it as soon as you see it, because it might not be there. They had this like acrylic kind of box, kind of looked like that, but it was a Christmas box, so you could put something in it. It was just really cute and simple, but that one was going when I did go back. But they did have a few new things that they didn't have the other day when I did go, so definitely check that out. Cute little stocking stuffers that you can grab. So these, I'm hoping they're the same price as the ones, because they had a few different ones. I'm hoping they're the same price as the ones that were on the bottom. They had a few different options. I like that they didn't put the prices on it though, but I do wish I knew what the prices were, because that way if you do put them in that stocking stuffers or for a gift basket or something like that, there's no price on it, so they don't know how much it costs. But they had like hair accessories, they had beauty accessories, they had this little lip balm scrub set. I thought that one was a good one, and like I said, it has like the little cute Christmas and packaging on it. They even had like press on nails, so if you're looking to get like some press on nails and stuff like that, and kind of giving the holiday colors for these, like, but not overly holiday, so you could really wear these anytime. It's just like a hint on the holidays with the colors and different ones that they had, and they had a full set of those. This one was cute. There was only one of these left, and the lady had just put it down, but with the little charm. I like the lip gloss with the little charm. They had some other things mixed in. This one, I'm not sure if it was for Halloween, because it says Holler and Glow, or it was part of the Christmas. So if it's part of the Halloween, then soon it will be on sale. But these are $1. So if everything else is around that same price range, then you could put together a good little gift basket or get a bunch of stocking stuffers for $1 at the dollar spot. But I'm not sure exactly what the price is on those. But they did have a good variety of stuff, like eye masks, all kind of different things that you can grab and make something really cute. And I like the little cute Christmas, holiday, seasonal, winter shapes of those. And then they had like some cute little faux trees, decorative items that they always, have for different seasons, different holidays. So they had those styles, a lot of traditional style pieces in the dollar spot. These little cups were my favorite. Just super cute. They're kind of thin, though, and I'm not going to say it's a glass. I'm not going to say it's a plastic. I don't know what it is, but I wouldn't put anything too hot in there. So like maybe something cute for like some hot chocolate or something like that. And a lot of dollar ornaments. I love that now, because when I first started shopping in like the Bullseye dollar spot section at Target, most of the things were $1, and then it changed and everything went up. And it was like $3-5 for the pieces. So I liked it. A lot of the ornaments are $1. And you can use them for like cute DIYs. You can use them in centerpieces. You can use them on door wreaths. You can use them a lot of different like fun ways. You can even use them for gift wrapping. So just to add like a cute little element to it, add like one of those to it. That'd be super cute. They had this, so this one was cute. And then these little bows back here, I didn't notice them when I was there, but those would be cute too. They only had a few of those left though. But just a lot of different cute ones to grab at Target right now. If you are looking to start building your tree, you can grab some of those pieces. The pillow sizes have shrunk at Target in the dollar spot section, but you can mix those with, lay them with like a bigger pillow and just add like something cute. Lay them with your regular throw pillows that are on your sofa, and then you have that little pillow there just to add like that pop. I think that might be cute. These right here, I like that they come with a little pin so you can like decorate them, and they came in different sizes, and that's like a little metal. You can put like a little tea light under there and have like a little light, something cute. But they have, like I said, some cute pieces. And if you don't like that color, but the color is going to be cute for like a gingerbread house, but you can always just like change it. These boxes, not so much Christmas, but I thought they were cute. This one was dirty. That's why probably was the last big one left. But they had them in 2 different sizes, and it's like a little velvet kind of look to it. And those are cute. You can use those for a reusable gift bag. So you can put a little cute gift in there, and then the person can reuse it, or you can just have it for yourself. They had some other decor pieces that you can grab. Like I said, they had some other ones in, but they went out, but then they put some new ones out, and they still have a lot of the like Halloween stuff out at my Target. This box, I don't think it's Christmas, but I think it's cute, something different. These little kits, so you can do, I like when the kit comes with all the stuff. So it has the different shapes. So you got the nutcracker, you got the snowman, different ones, and then it has the little paint and stuff like that. But you can always use your own paint and stuff. Blankets, just a bunch of cute stuff in the dollar spot. These little stockings, cute, and they look handmade, kind of the way with the bows and stuff like that. It looks like something that you made, and you can add more details to that too. But more ornaments they had in the dollar spot. I like the ornaments. I like anything for $1, especially if I can rework it or just do something cute with it. But they had those, and then the stocking hangers, so that you put these on your mantle and then or your shelf or what have you, and then you can hang the stockings from there. So I'm wondering if those came with other designs besides that one, but I thought those were cute. The little snowflake tray, I love a good wood piece, and those are good too. So if you do like that layering with the cutting boards and stuff like that, you can layer those. You could put those in your coffee station and put like your syrups and stuff on there. You can get creative with those. Another simple stocking with the little white detail. The white detail doesn't pop that much on the white one, but it does pop on the other ones. And then these were new, not Christmas, but they were new in the dollar spot at my Target. So it's like a little faux book. So, you could put like storage and different like remotes, different things and stuff in there. And they came with a lot of fun prints. This one too, not Christmas. And I don't think it definitely wasn't part of the dollar spot, but it was over there. So we took a look at it because I like a good glass set. I think it was like Halloween for those. And then these are more of the stocking hangers. So you can grab those, and that's more of a neutral look that'll go in with a lot of different styles, and they had different shapes in those. That's what's making me think the other ones might have different shapes too, besides the little bow and the bell. But that was it for the dollar spot. And then we went exploring around the store to see what else they had. And more pillows. And these are going to be just slightly different, but not that big a difference in size from the other ones. But these are $10, but they had like different shapes. And these were more weighted. So they had more weighted ones with these. But the one on the bottom, I think would be cute with the little gingerbread pillow. From the dollar spot, so you could put those together. You could do something really fun with that. So that one I thought was cute, and $10 for it, so $15, and you'll have like a little cute pillow set. They have more throw blankets. Again, these are more than the other ones, but these are bigger. So the ones in the dollar spot, are going to be smaller, and then these are going to be bigger throws. $10 for those right there. And to me, not that bad of a deal, because even if you go to like say a TJ Maxx or Marshalls or something like that, you rarely find like a $10 blanket for like the holiday blankets and stuff like that, even though they're seasonal. These, okay, so if you're looking, when I saw this whole like little setup here, I thought everybody's on TikTok talking about the Ralph Lauren Christmas. If you wanted to do a Ralph Lauren Christmas, some of these pieces I think would work really nice for that. So if you were thinking about doing a Ralph Lauren Christmas, get down to Target and get you some of these pieces. I'm trying to be more responsible with posting where you can get the stuff from. So maybe you don't have it in your Target, and I'll show you the link. But I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna do my best. I signed up for a Shop My where you could put all the information in for stuff that you see and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try my best to do it. It probably won't be today though, but I'm gonna do it as soon as possible. Because I thought those would be really nice. I'm gonna make like a whole little Ralph Lauren Christmas section because I thought those were cute. These little soap things, $5 for those, not bad. Shower curtains, so you can get your whole little bathroom together. $10 for that. And then they have like the towels and stuff too. They have bath mats that you can grab, 2 different styles, like different prints. Some of them had different shapes rather than just a rectangle shape. So they had those options, and they have sheets in that Target for the holiday season. So if you wanted to change up your bed, stuff like that for the holidays, they had a few different prints, and then they had this different sizes and stuff in those. These quilt like blankets, I think these are nice. So it adds like a older style to it, and it's something simple. It's not like overly Christmas. So if you're not looking for something that's overly Christmas, you can grab those. And then again, those plaid style blankets. Look so nice for the Ralph Lauren Christmas. These were my favorite pieces. Okay, so it's like another like a velvet. I like like a velvet, but they felt so soft. So they have the pillow shams, and then they had the comforter, like the blanket, and just the nicest color red. Just the nicest color red, and it's just like a way to add just that pop for the season without doing too much. And then this is where they usually have all of the seasonal items at my Target, but again, they still are doing the Halloween because Halloween has not hit us yet. So it wasn't a lot to pick from, and they were back there working, so I didn't want to disturb them too much. But they had like a few pieces out that you can grab right now. This I thought was cute, so you can create your own little advent calendar. I always think that is fun. And you can even too, I wouldn't leave that top one. I would like wrap it with a different print, so like, you know, customize for like maybe the person or the theme you're going for it. That might be cute, and then you put your cute little gifts and stuff in there. That would be fun. But like I said, they were still loading up with the Christmas pieces back here. They had like a few things. They had like some faux trees, some like plushy pieces, little sets and stuff like that, but not a whole lot to look at in that area. They have lighting, a few like hanger pieces, a lot of stockings. So this one I thought was so cute, the little gingerbread one. $20 for that one. But they had like other styles too that you can grab, and a lot of stocking holders. So they had those out too. So they had, at least at my Target. Some Targets your Target might be fully stocked, but mine not so much yet. So we're gonna have to go back and see what they have. We're gonna give it to after Halloween actually hits, so they could move out all the Halloween stuff, sell off all the Halloween stuff, all that good stuff, and then we'll go back. They do have the stocking holders and sets, which I think are cute too. They had different style sets too, so not just that set, but they had like other ones to grab. Home Goods usually sell sets too for the Christmas stocking holders, which I think are cute. And then this one, my favorite little collection of stockings. I think these are super cute, and they have like that vintage look to them, like that rustic kind of old school look. They have a few faux trees out, but that was really it. So we're gonna go back and see what they have soon.